Misumi Economy. Linear Motor Actuator Quick Commissioning Guide. Start by downloading the software from the Misumi website. Type linear motor into the search bar and press enter. Then, select a linear motor model to proceed with the download. Scroll down to locate the download file named Misumi EDriver. Then, click to download the file. Wait until the download is complete. Then, open the downloaded folder. Extract the file. Then launch the software by clicking EDriver. Click More Info. Run anyway. Close this window for now. Click here to change the language. Then, click here to confirm. Then, click here to confirm. After that, connect the USB cable to the drive and click Refresh to detect the correct COM port. Then, click Connect to establish the connection. Once the connection is established, click Installation Wizard to perform a quick step-by-step setup, completed in just 5 minutes. You can find the basic wiring instructions in this section. Click Start Debugging to begin the setup process. The first step is to select the encoder type by checking the label located on the end cap or the linear motor block. Select the encoder type, click Next, and then choose the linear motor model. Click Next, then select Download Setting and click Yes to save the parameters to the drive. Wait for the drive to restart and reconnect automatically. Step 2. Configure the gear ratio. A 1:1 ratio is recommended to achieve the highest positioning accuracy. Click Use Default. Then select Download Setting to apply the configuration. Step 3. Select the pulse input signal type and click here to view the corresponding pin assignment. If pulse control is not being used, simply click Next to skip this step. Select the control signal type to be used. If this function is not being used, click Download Setting to skip this step. Step 4. Configure the I/O settings according to your application requirements. Click Next to proceed to the next page. Once the configuration is complete, click Download Setting. The final step is easy tuning. Click Servo Enable to activate and begin operating the linear motor axis. Click Forward or Reverse to start jogging and test the movement. Click Next to proceed to the next page. Next, perform auto-tuning by moving the axis using Forward or Reverse. Then record the travel positions by clicking Position 1 and Position 2. It is recommended to keep the two positions. Approximately 20 to 30 centimeters apart to ensure accurate moment detection and faster tuning completion. If a warning message indicates that the distance is not suitable, adjust the spacing according to the maximum tuning speed. Next, click Advance to adjust the maximum speed according to your design requirements for optimal tuning performance. Click OK, then click Next. Then, click Yes to start the auto-tune process. If the tuning process fails, it is recommended to reduce the speed setting and inspect the mechanical system for possible interference or excessive friction that may prevent the axis from reaching the target speed. Once auto-tune is completed successfully, the basic setup process is finished and the system is ready to be connected to the main controller for operation. Click Download Setting, then select Debugging Completed to finalize the setup process. Wait until the download is complete and the drive restarts, then the system will be ready for operation again. Additional configuration for users utilizing PR mode or I/O commands. Click All Parameters and set parameter P00.01 to 6 to enable PR mode. Then, click Save to Drive followed by Drive Reset to apply the changes. Open the PR mode window to begin the configuration process. Click General and enable the Navigation Bar checkbox. Then, click PR mode to open the configuration window. The first tab is for homing configuration, where you can select the homing method using either a home switch signal or torque detection. The second tab is used to configure position values and motion programs. Click Positioning to select the motion control mode. Then, configure the target position, speed, and acceleration values accordingly. Click Save PR Parameters to Drive to save the configuration. The third tab is used for operation testing and motion control after the program configuration is completed. Click Auto Refresh to read the actual position directly from the encoder. For operation testing, go to I/O setting and force servo on. Wait until the status changes to Enable. You can also perform homing and test the programmed motion sequence line by line from this section. To reverse the moving direction of the linear motor, click All Parameters. And navigate to parameter P00.06. Set the value to either 0 or 1, then click Save to Drive to apply the change. After saving, perform a driver reset and test the motion again. Thank you for watching. Presentation by TS Team.